Alright, so customer complaint was the washer was making a banging noise, but I don't think that's the case. I've seen this before, so we probably got a broken spring. Yeah, so it was just like I figured. This spring came off. You see how that one's hooked on and it's locked in place. This one broke, it looked like from the bottom. So yeah. Alright, so we got it back on. Hopefully it'll stay on this time. If not, we might have to change out the spring because I don't know how that happened, but it wasn't broken. And see, this one is still in. So we're gonna see. And remember, the gasket was twisted and now it's back to normal. So yeah. Alright. Back sitting up right. So we're just testing it out.